name is Renske. I work for the company tenfeet, and we are responsible for the whole project mapping, like the content and programming. And tenfeet is a company specialized in lighting and video operating and design. Last year we were asked through the RAI and ISE to do the project mapping on the NH Hotel, and this year they asked us again. Of course, the Elicium is the center point of the RAI, so we decided to try to project on that building. First of all, we had to do a test to make sure that the surface was good for projection, and it was. So that's where it all started. You always have some challenges, but mainly it was about how to get some depth into the building, which is a very, it's a very straight building, so you don't have a lot of depth in it, so how to create that. And we try to do that by, of course, 3D content, but also to put lights in the windows. So instead of masking them out, we use them to create more depth. Last year we did a lot with information, like informational parts, and now ISE said we actually want to have more show elements in it and not only informational parts. So that was where the focus was on, and I think we managed it. We tried to create a story, like a story about the 6 worlds ISE is referring to in the technology zones, and we created a cube, and the cube is called Flux, and Flux is traveling around those worlds and getting knowledge by traveling.
We came up with a setup with 8 times 50K Panasonic projectors, and which is stacked here on this side. The image is also stacked, so we have 8 times the same image. This is has 2 reasons. We have a good output, and we also, when someone for what reason, whatever, one shuts down, it's always a possibility with equipment, then we don't lose a part of the image because it's 8 times the same image. Yeah, the content is specially made for this building, so we calculated the pixels, the pixel mapping, and then tenfeet made content, and they use a media server from Green Hippo, which is playing on all 8 projectors.
We are really happy that we were involved, and it's a very nice project to work on. Both ISE and RAI are very nice clients to work for, and yeah, it's a big trade show that's leaving Holland. So that's sad, but I think that there are new opportunities in Barcelona, and hopefully we can find a nice building there